How to sell NFT art as a complete beginner. NFT art tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can sell NFT art as a complete beginner and where to get started, how you can connect your wallet to an NFT marketplace and sell your NFTs to make money. So let's get started. First, what I want you guys to do is simply go to OpenSea.io. OpenSea.io is world's first and largest NFT marketplace, and it's very easy to use, works with Ethereum and Polygon, and now it also works as Solana. NFT marketplace is amazing. You will be able to find all of the famous NFT collections such as Cool Cats, CryptoPunks. All of the NFTs are actually minted on OpenSea, and it's a very good platform for beginners too. And I have also created a collection on OpenSea. A minting process is free if you're minting one, and you can also connect your wallet really easily. So what you guys need to do is simply go to OpenSea.io, and we have to sell our NFT here, right? We want our NFT to be here in the marketplace like others. You can see they're selling these NFTs and we can now buy them. So how to list your NFT on OpenSea, how to mint it. In order to do that, you will first require a crypto wallet. Now, don't worry, if you do not have a crypto wallet, then you can simply get one. Go to metamask.io and get a MetaMask wallet. Getting a MetaMask is really easy. All you need to do is sign up with your email address or your Google account, and then you will set up a reasonable password. And so once you create a wallet on MetaMask, then you will be able to connect it to your OpenSea marketplace. So this is my MetaMask, and you can see I have added it as my Google Chrome extension. To connect a wallet to OpenSea, what you guys need to do is click on this wallet icon, and it will give you all the wallet options that you can connect. So we have MetaMask, Coinbase, Wallet Connect, and newly added Phantom and Glow for Solana. So we're going to be minting our NFT on Ethereum because MetaMask is an Ethereum wallet. To connect my MetaMask, I will just click on this wallet icon and then select MetaMask. It will ask for my permission and connect my MetaMask wallet right here. Connecting literally takes 1 minute, and also you don't need any funds in your wallet. If you have zero funds, it's okay. You will be able to connect your wallet with OpenSea and get started with the minting process, and you will be able to list your NFT. Once you click on connect, then you will see that your wallet will be connected to OpenSea, and you just have to accept and sign. Once the wallet is connected, now we're good to go. We will be able to create our NFT art on OpenSea. So to sell it, we will of course have to list it first. Now I will go to this create option here. To create, of course, you need to connect your wallet. Our wallet is connected. That was the first step. Now go to create, and it will take you to create new item. And here I will be able to add my NFT and then hopefully sell it. Now the first required field is the NFT. This is where I will be uploading my art. We can upload up to 100 MB, and it can be an image, video, audio, 3D model, MP4, any kind of file. So I will select it and upload my PNG type NFT. So this is my NFT right here. This is kind of like a pink mood board NFT. This was my mood board art that I converted into NFT. So we can actually create any kind of NFT we like, and we can convert anything to NFT, our photography, our art, music, whatever you like. So we will have to give it a name, and I'm going to call it Pink Affair. So that's what it's called, my NFT. Now we have external link, and we can add an external link to our NFT if you have an outside URL link. If you do not have any link, then you can just leave this option. I will leave this option because I do not have any page with information of this NFT. Then we have the description right here. So you will enter your description here. For now, I will write the word description. That's it. Then we have collection. So here we have to select our NFT collection that we have on OpenSea. If you do not have any collection, then you can go to your profile right here, go to collections and create a collection first and then mint NFTs. But it's okay if you leave this option, then automatically a new collection will be created for you. So I will just leave this option for now and it will just automatically create my new collection with this NFT. Moving on, we have properties, levels, and stats. So property mean the textual traits that we can add, and these help us with the rarity of our NFT. Now, what I can do is I can, for example, add color. So this is going to be one of the properties for my NFT, and the color is pink. Similarly, I can go with different aspects and different properties, but for now, I will just save it. Similarly, we have levels and stats. For now, I will just leave this option. Then we have unlockable content. So we can add any kind of unlockable content to our NFTs. For example, if you have an email address or if you want to sell your NFT physically, so we kind of like add our address here or email address that's just revealed by the owner of the NFT. So this is like a locked content. And then we have explicit and sensitive checks. So for now, I'm not going to do anything with these options, but you just click on this and then you enter your content, and you can also add this check to your NFT. Then we have important options, supply and blockchain. So how many number of items you are going to be minting. So if you're minting just one, then there's no cost fee for you, there's no gas fee. So that's actually pretty good. I will be minting one copy and there is no gas fee for me, and this is actually a really good option on OpenSea. That is why I think it's a good choice to choose OpenSea to mint your first NFT. Then the most important thing is the blockchain. Now you can select different blockchains on OpenSea. We have Ethereum, Polygon, then we have Cotton and Solana. So now you can see these two options are not available for me. Why? Because I connected my MetaMask, which is an Ethereum wallet. So that is why now I cannot mint on Solana or this one. I have Ethereum or Polygon. What is Polygon? Well, Polygon is a gas-free blockchain that works with Ethereum. So if I want to change my mainnet, you can see we have Ethereum. We can actually change our mainnet on our MetaMask to Polygon, and then we can mint NFTs on Polygon to enjoy a gas-free experience, because we know that gas-free can be really high on Ethereum sometimes and we do not want to pay that. But a lot of people will be going for Ethereum and a lot of people buy NFTs on Ethereum, so I'm gonna keep it on Ethereum too. Then we have freeze metadata option. Freezing metadata will allow you to permanently lock and store all the item content in decentralized file storage. Once you have added all the information here, it's very easy. Click on create and your NFT will be added to OpenSea. You will be able to create your own NFT on OpenSea. And there you go. My NFT has been minted on OpenSea. You can see I just created it and now I have my copy link and I can share it on my social media. So let's just close it. And this is my NFT. This is an art that I created on Canva for free, and I just created an NFT out of it. So we have Ethereum blockchain. This is the name, and you can see, as I told you, a new collection is created for me with this NFT. So it's really easy. Then we have our properties, details, activity. Now to sell it, I will click on sell option here, and it will allow me to add more information such as list item for sale. So we have fixed price and timed auction. So if you want to go for timed auction, you will get the highest bidders and then you can create this auction on your NFT. Then we have fixed price. So I'm gonna go with fixed price and it's going to be in Ethereum. So I will list my NFT for 0.20 Ethereum, which is going to be $200 at the time of making this video. So right now, actually, the Ethereum price is way too low, and that is why I will have to list it on 0.205, and it's going to be $200. Then the duration is going to be 1 month, and the fee is 2.5% on OpenSea. Click on complete listing, and your NFT will be listed on OpenSea and you will be able to sell your NFT. And now somebody can simply buy my NFT for $200, and I just minted right here. You can see it will just approve from my wallet, and now I'm good to go. I will be able to sell NFT on OpenSea. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to sell NFT art as a complete beginner on OpenSea. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.